Hello and welcome, and today we're going to be doing some game tutorial, or game development tutorial, and we're going to be making our games in a program called processing. It's a offshoot of Java. It's a lot easier for beginners. Um, that's one of the reasons I like it. If you're new to programming, which if you're coming to watch these videos, you most likely are, this is one of the best ways to learn. So you're going to want to type processing into Google, and it's going to copy your processing.org, and then you're going to go to download, and then whichever platform you're on. I'm on Windows, and you're just going to let that download. And then I already downloaded it, so once you have it downloaded, you can go to the folder and you can run it. So this is when it first starts up, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to file, you're going to have a sketch is like the project file. They're called sketches. So you're going to have new, open, so if you're working on something, you can export it to a .jar. So that's one of the other things that I really like about it, is it makes it really easy to export your games as like a kind of finished product. Other edit functions that you can use. You can run the program. All it's going to do is it's going to pop up this little thing because you don't have any parameters or anything in the box. There's new, there's open, there's export, save, just easier ways. There's fonts. You have to, if you want to use fonts in your thing, you have to go through, and we'll go over that later. It's a little bit elaborate. And then there's another. No, they removed it. There used to be a color thing, so you could use. Oh yeah, color selector, so you can see what the colors are, so that when you're selecting colors in it, then it makes it a lot easier. You can import things. It makes it really easy. OpenGL if you want like really high quality graphics. But that's about it. So we're gonna move on to the first program. So your general setup is going to be, get rid of that capital letter, void setup. You're going to have some parentheses, and then you're going to close it out with a bracket, and then so that's everything that you're going to want to set originally. So example, if you want to set the size of the window, size, and then the parameters, say 500 by 500 and colon, and then when you run it, it's going to be 500 by 500 now. So that's everything that you're going to want to set originally. So variables, other things that you're going to set before the program loads. If you're going to load images, it's all going to be done in there. And then while the program is running, you're going to be running everything is going to be in the void draw function. Void draw. And everything else that you're going to put in here is going to be things that you're going to draw on the screen. So an example of this is an ellipse, and we'll say it's at position 10, 10, and it has a size of 10 and a size of 10. So it's at x10, y10, and it has a size of 10 and 10. Oh yes, and I was missing a semicolon. So it's going to draw it right there. And that's pretty much your basic setup. You're going to be able to add other things like if statements in here. So if something something, you can stop with capital letters. Your conditional statements. You're going to be able to add a bunch of stuff in. So when we start moving it, so this is just going to be your basic setup with the void draw and void setup, and that's all we're going to go over in this episode, and come back for another one.